Here we go again, and welcome to the 5th. This is a Metro bus. Today is my last day here at the beautiful Residence Inn Hotel. And today I'm going to the Metro and I'm going to take another sightseeing trip. I'm gonna go try to find some chicken wings today. So here we go again. Another Metro trip, another vacation, another experience. So, and let's go see something new. Now I have to find out which one of these cards has the balance. So I'll just tap it here and it'll show me a total. $5. One is $2.45, the other one's $5. So today's plan is to go to the Navy Yard. I'm here in Crystal City, so I'm gonna take the yellow line to Lafayette Plaza, and then I'm gonna switch to the green line and go to the Navy Yard, and they should have plenty of things to eat over there. So I just came out on the Navy Yard station from the Metro, and believe it or not, this comes out right on front of the Nationals Park. Look at that, Washington Nationals. This is cool. Never been here. Been to Washington before. I don't know if they have a game today. I wonder if I even could enjoy a game today before I head back home tomorrow. It looks like everybody's getting set up, but this spot is pretty famous. Tom's Watch Bar. They have apartments here. That is crazy. Imagine living in one of those spots and just watching the game from your window. Pretty cool decoration. They have some baseballs all across the stadium parking lot. And they closed the street down for vehicles, so only pedestrian is accessible through here right now. Super social, so I guess that could be an eating place. I'm looking for a place to eat lunch. Buffalo WildWings, but look at the stadium right there, and the bay is right behind it. So that means right behind that stadium, there's the bay. I wonder if I could walk back there. Let me get closer. I guess I cannot. It is closed off. I gotta buy a ticket. This is the box office right here. Now, again, people, perspective, okay? Look at the park right there, okay? That is the stadium. Open. Imagine living in one of these balconies on the high floor. You get to watch the game for free. Downside, it gets loud and crowded, but How cool is that? So chicken whiskey. I don't know what that is. It looks like a fast food place. I don't know if chicken whiskey means that they actually have whiskey there. So I'm just gonna go back this way and double check on Buffalo WildWings. See if they're open. Because that is definitely what I'm craving today. Here we are. Buffalo WildWings. Right next to the Washington National Stadium. Any variety of drafts. So let's get some chomp. So we got the happy hour from 3 to 6, and I'm between 3 and 4 right now. So I'm gonna get one of these $5 Bud Light. And maybe some wings. Got the wings, the beer, watching the Instagram clips, and waiting for the fries. I devour those wings. They were good. Let's see what to do now. It's getting live out here. That place is called the Bullpen. You just walk in there and you can have, buy alcohol and stuff and maybe snacks. And I'm assuming they probably have a big screen TV so they can watch the game. But yeah, there is a game today. Washington National Park. Everybody getting set up, selling gear from the Nationals, t-shirts, hats and caps. And a little while ago, all these restaurants were kind of dead. All the doors were closed because the sun was hitting it, but it's getting alive now, I guess. And I see the lights turning on. See way on the, if you can see way on the top, the lights are turning on. So it's probably an evening game. Left field game. So with gloves, waiting for balls to come out the game. So I rented a scooter. I'm gonna kind of drive around the city and end up in the hotel later tonight. So yeah, I'm still outside the National Park field. Yesterday I had a Lime scooter, today I have a spin scooter. And I'm at the other corner of the stadium. That's my ride for the last 35 minutes. I found this place, the Warf. And it's a bunch of shops and restaurants, and there's a pier. It's called the Market Pier. So fat fish, rolls and twist. There's a pier. Oh my God, the breeze is amazing here. I feel like I am on a cruise. Look how cool this is. They have a whole smokestack up there. That place is called Trash something. This is a statue or sculpture or art that I just showed you. It's called the Lobster Man, and it was donated, and it was actually brought and placed here by the Department of something in Maine. So this is called here. So Thrash's Rum, okay, that's what that other place over there is called. And they have kind of a food truck here in the back with tables and, well, not tables, like whiskey drums set up as tables. At nighttime, it looks like it's a nice place. So from Thrash's Rum, we move on. There's a Dristic Donut. Let's have a donut shop, and this is the grill. It's on the lower level of this gigantic. Yeah, I don't know if it's an apartment building or a business, but let's just keep walking on the wharf, see what else they have here. See a couple trying to scoop water off from their canoe. And just a block down, we find another establishment. This one's called Easy Company Wine and Bar. I'm pretty sure that's self-explanatory. And Shake Shack, burgers and shakes. There's a Southwest plane landing over there. So for those of you who doubted me, I doubted myself, but yeah, this is the name of the place, the Wharf. So it's a water marina with a bunch of establishments, and well, Anthem, that's what it says up there. I don't know if that's an actual theater or what, but they have a box office on the outside of it. Yeah, it is a theater, so they do have shows, and it's called the Anthem, right here on the outside of the wharf. Here's the main office for that water taxi company that we saw the other day on Alexandria, Potomac Taxi. So they take you sightseeing. There's another one over there. What a taxi. I didn't need to get on the water. I did a lot of walking, and I did biking, scooter riding, and a couple of personal lifts, because the company was covering our Uber from work to the hotel. So here we have a Le France Eatery. Des petits déjeuners, patisserie, le café Bristo appetit. How did that sound? I don't know what the hell I said, but I'm just trying to let you know that it's a French restaurant. Have you ever asked yourself what would you do if you had money? If you were rich? This is my answer. And if you ask me where this is it in Washington? Is it in Maryland? Is it in Virginia? I don't know. I'll tell you at the end of the video. There's a lot to walk and a lot to see if you continue going down this path. You know, up and down the wharf. But there's other stuff. This actually makes me feel like I'm in Vegas. I remember Wharf events. So this is a post where you come and check out what's going on in the future, dates for all your Wharf shenanigans. Welcome to Recreation Pier. So this is where that sculpture is at the end. I like the way the floor is set up. You know, it's like a slanted a little bit. Oh, look at this, and it has swings for couples or your young kids to have fun. while there see the sunset, because I'm assuming the sunset you're gonna be able to see it on that end, because there's the sun. It's about 6:30, so it's gonna set somewhere around there. So this must be a beautiful place to see a sunset. See, that's what I'm talking about. Look at the way they made this. It goes from flat surface floor to a side wall. It's like almost enticing to come and rollerblade or skate on it. And check out this beautiful. It stands out because every other yacht here on the pier. Look at over there. What do you see that's common among all those yachts? They're all white, right? And then check out this baby. Sapphire blue. It is hot, so let me tell you. Desires to jump in there and get wet? I haven't. This is such a nice layout. It's a beautiful place. That's called King Folk Southern Kitchen. And here you can't really see that because the sun is hitting it, but it's called Lucky Buns. So it must be a hamburger joint, upscale. And look how nice this is. That's like 2 luxury home apartment buildings or hotels, and then there's a terrace, and in the middle of the terrace there's an open space with trees just popping right through it. So it's not Hell's Kitchen, but it belongs to the owner of Hell's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay. You know the saying that goes, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree? And over there we just saw Gordon Ramsay fish and chips. Check this out. Hell's Kitchen. I told you. And I've made it to, I want to call it the end because I'm getting tired of the boardwalk. I'm not gonna go anymore. And then I was looking at this. This place is called Philippe. And I was looking at these rooms. It's all glass. You can see that somebody's home. They have the TV. But if you see the shape of the building, it's slanted forward. So those glasses, the walls, which are glass, they're not straight up. They're not in a 90 degree angle. That is weird. Well, anyway, this is the end of my walk. So I'm gonna take one of these babies, right? All right, yo, so now I see where those ladies got the crab from. I forgot to come to the other end of the pier. See, that's where I started. And the Marcus rum, Trash's rum, whatever. But over here at the end, this is all seafood, raw and cooked. How about across the bridge to go back to the hotel? I forgot to go there. That would have been a good snack with a cold beer. So I'm at a place that I just discovered while I was riding my electric bike. That everybody, you know, is just chilling here in the park, because when the planes land at the airport, which is right behind me, they got an up-close shot of the planes. Look, there's one coming right now. They're not as low as the ones in St. Martin. So if you look at over there, between the bushes, that's the airport. So where those buildings are, that's where my hotel is. So I'm going that way. They got ice cream trucks and all that stuff here. But this is pretty cool. There's another plane coming, so Hopefully that one is southwest, and no matter where you are here in Washington, you always get a glimpse of the monument, Washington Monument. This is a crazy thing. This is like an everyday thing. People don't have to travel all the way to St. Martin to go to that, whatever the name of that beach is, where they can see the planes up close and personal. Look, there's another one coming over there. This here is called the Mount Vernon Bike Trail. And that over there, that's Crystal City. That's where my hotel room is. That's where I'm going. My electric bike. I have the phone in my right hand, but this is a switch that if I push down on it, the bike will go by itself. Watch. I switched my hands. Woo! No more pedal. It's like a scooter. And there's the airport. Alright, so we made it out to Crystal City. This is the place where I bought the Thai food the other day. Chicken, or Mama's chicken, whatever. So we're close to the hotel. Almost the end of my day, almost the end of your video. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Remember to hit like on my videos. I appreciate it. Once again, I'm gonna make this the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and till next time.